malaking pagbabago. Honestly, kasi before ko nasa labas ako, parang nare-recognize ako sometimes, parang, hey, artista yun, or like, uy, si David yun. Pero like, di naman sila yung parang, parang di naman sila nag-crazy about me. But then right now, parang, syempre, since maganda yung Maria Clara and maganda yung role ko, maganda yung partnership namin ni Barbie, magaling yung mga directors, total collaborative effort siya. Kaya naman na-build si Fidel, and that's why nagustuhan siya ng mga tao, is because of the whole team, the writers and sa producers, lahat. So, ayun, I mean, definitely nagbago talaga yung life ko when it comes to my private life. Kasi, kumbaga, mas madaming fans mo, mas gusto ka nilang makilala, gusto nila malaman yung past mo, gusto nila malaman kung sino yung dinidate mo ngayon. So, pag nasa labas ka, parang medyo mas careful na ako ngayon eh. Kasi before, pag nasa labas ako, parang whatever, parang normal lang. Ngayon, parang next day, nasa social media na, napopost sa TikTok, party ako, nasa TikTok na. For sure, nakita naman nila, so okay lang naman sabihin. So, ayun, I just have to be careful, I guess, kasi this is the job that I'm doing, that I have. And me as a go-getter, I wanna maximize this as much as possible. Because hindi naman lahat ng tao nabibigyan ng ganitong opportunity, like I mentioned. So, yeah.